So today I am going through all the boxes trying to find all the models I no longer use. I found this one. I no longer have the tender. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to sell all these models that I no longer use. Check the link in the description. There's a link directly to my eBay page. I need to clear all the boxes. So just some of these models work. You need to read the description. So this is Albert. I'm gonna put that 3D printed face on this one. I found remote control hero. Never had the time to fix it, so I'm just gonna find the remote and put this for sale. And I found another box. A little bin with steam-alone models. I remember I posted a lot of this. This front part, the engine looks okay. Yeah, if you want to fix and repair one of these, I no longer have the time to fix them. There are some spares here and there. I remember I put like a 5 or 6 boxes, little boxes, individual listings for steam alone, and someone bought all the 6 or 5, whatever. Thank you. I put them very accessible because I no longer have the time to fix them. And then we have some of these models might not have the tender, but they do work. I don't remember if we have Spencer's tender. Always look at the description. I mean the price will be reflected for the little details that need to be fixed or whatever these problems have or don't have. I just want to clear the garage. Now I found a full box, and what I mean a box full of Thomas. This is a box that is full completely of remote control Thomas. I know I have the remote. I need to find the remote. I need to put this for sale. I no longer have time. Now if you want to fix and repair some of this, yes, you can rewire. Actually, without the remote you can make a conversion, or maybe I'm gonna try to do it, maybe if I have the time, but I no longer have the time to do that. A lot of these do have corrosion, a lot of corrosion. Maybe some of those don't. Look, this is a good tender with good battery terminals, maybe just to swap. And I'm gonna try to find whatever I can because I need to make a room for my studio. So I am looking for parts. This one does have a broken tab. Looking for parts everywhere. Oh, I found a match. Okay, and there is Edward. I think we have a good motor. I don't know about the oh, it's a broken, but we still have. I mean, I'm gonna post this. A lot of people might be interested on these models. Remember, I will not check some of these. Some, yes, this is very expensive, but I have a lot of these parts that someone might find interesting to use the spare parts. And yeah, I remember I went through all these boxes, but I just show it just the surface, not all the is this, what year is this? 1994. And this is a real 1994. It's not like those 2002. Look at the face, a solid single piece. It's just the funnel and the face are one single piece, and they just painted the face. This is a real treasure. Corner is cheapest, but it's okay. 1994. Yeah, right there, 1994. Good. So trying to find wherever I can. Some will be in book, some might not. What is this? Ari, Bert, Ari, what's the name of this? I don't know. I'm finding a lot of spares. Yeah, I need to put a lot of these spares. So look at this one. Yeah, remember when I tried to make this custom Timothy the Ghost engine, but anyways. So check the link in the description. I'm trying to organize the parts, all the parts, all the models. I'm trying to build also box full of Thomas toys. Now check the link in the description always, but mainly when you go to eBay, some of these I will not have the time to clean. If I go through all the parts, there are some dusty parts. I'll try to do my best, but I will be describing. I will describe that thing, or maybe I don't post this because you know, might be some customers that will be picky, and they might not be happy with getting these dirty models, but for $10, who will complain, you know? Even though, even if I describe, here's another one, it's broken. Even, even though I describe that it's dirty, they will not care and will be not happy, and it's not okay, you know. You are describing the things that how they come and how they are, and they still don't care and not happy with buying something that is. But I try to clean them anyways. So Caramel's new friend. Now, interesting. There is one box with a broken Edward parts, and okay. Yeah, I think I showed this few of these switches for the talking engines. I no longer have the time to fix and repair. I just wanna design some files. I don't know if I don't think I have time to fix this model. Maybe it works, but the problem is I do not have the battery cover for this model. What is this? This is for Thomas. And here is James. Are those Edwards? Yeah, they are Edwards. See, okay. See, I totally forgot. Who remember these parts belongs to? I don't know if it's for Maggie or for somebody else. I mean, some other creators. But it looks like I found a box of Edwards. There is a motorized. I don't know if you guys remember Byron. Byron is your name? But I put Elizabeth motorized chassis. Yeah, there are some Edward parts here. I totally forgot I had it. I'm gonna start with the Edwards. So check the link in the description. I will post mainly Edwards. I know the broken, the oldest, the better for a lot of customers, a lot of people. Yeah, there are a lot of Edwards, especially the motor is sometimes hard to find, or the side rods. Interesting. Yeah, I remember fixing a lot of these Edwards, and I just skipped the broken parts. So check the link in the description. I'm gonna start with these models.